Are you still thinking of studying in Australia in 2025? How to apply, what it costs, and if you even qualify. This video breaks it all down, simple, clear, and step-by-step guide. Let's dive in. First, you need to get accepted into an Australian university or college. Once you receive your confirmation of enrollment, it's time to apply for the student visa, subclass 500. Here's what you'll need: a valid passport, English test score, overseas student health cover, proof you can support yourself financially, and a GTE statement showing your real intention to study. Submit your application on the ImmiAccount portal. Pay the visa fee, which is currently up to 2,000 Australian dollars. After that, you need to complete health and biometrics checks if needed. Visa processing usually takes 3 to 8 weeks. To qualify, you must meet the academic requirements of your course, like finishing high school or holding a relevant degree. You also need an English language score IELTS 6.5 or PT equivalent, your GTE statement, and you may need to provide character certificate. Also, make sure you purchase overseas student health cover before applying. Without it, your visa can be refused. Tuition fees vary by course and level. For diplomas, AUD $7,000 to $15,000 per year. For bachelor's, AUD $20,000 to $45,000 per year. For masters, $22,000 to $55,000 per year. You'll also need to show that you can cover living expenses, which are around $25,000 per year, based on Australian government guidelines. That includes accommodation, food, transport, and personal costs. Still have questions about studying in Australia? Drop them in the comments and I'll send you the links. And don't forget to like, save, and share this with someone who dreams of studying abroad. Subscribe for more tips. You can find more details in the caption below.